In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can screenshot only one monitor in Windows 11. So let's get started. Let me take a screenshot with this Google Chrome. So what we can do is we just need to simply press Alt plus Control plus print screen key together. Alt, Control, and print screen key. Okay, so let's open File Explorer to confirm. And here it is. Okay. Another thing is through the screenshot tool on your Windows, which is the snipping tool. So go to the Windows search bar and type snipping tool. Click on it under the best match. The best thing about the snipping tool is that you can choose the area where you want to take a screenshot with. It has also different snipping modes, and then just simply click on the plus sign symbol and you will find this plus sign symbol. So simply drag this to the area that you want to take a screenshot with. Okay, and then you just have to simply, once this window will appear, you have to click on the save button and save it anywhere on your Windows, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.